And we cut across to breaking details coming in. NCB officials were attacked in a drug crackdown in Mumbai. One Nigerian national has been arrested for the sale of drugs in the Vashi Mankhurd area of Mumbai. But 5 NCB officials were attacked while this operation was being conducted. You would remember how a similar incident had happened when the NCB officials had conducted an operation in Goregaon. This time around, it has happened in the Vashi Mankhurd area, from where one Nigerian national has been arrested for the sale of drugs. We also have a reaction on this. Let's listen.
Yesterday evening and early morning, NCB Mumbai, along with its core team, conducted one search operation. And in that search operation, there was an input regarding there is some gang of foreign national, drug gangs of foreign national which are working in that area. It is a stretch between Navi Mumbai to Mankhurd, and it's a swamp basically and a mini forest kind of a stretch. And due to the heavy plantations, access to any law enforcement agency was appearing to be very difficult. In fact, NCB Mumbai also conducted a continuous operation against them. In past 3 operations also we did some surveillance and some groundwork. But due to some unforced reasons, it couldn't be culminated. But yesterday night, finally we striked and recovered around drugs valuing more than 1 crore rupees, in which more than in commercial quantity heroin we have recovered, commercial quantity methadone we have recovered, and in intermediate quantity we have recovered cocaine. In the operation also we have intercepted one national, foreign national, and the other people who are dabbling into the supplying escaped, looking into taking the benefit of the camouflage of the area and dark and the swamp area. In this, 5 of the NCB personnel and officials got injured. 4 of them received minor injuries and they have taken medical attention, and one person suffered serious head injuries. He has been admitted in the hospital and the treatment is going on in that case.
Dr. Sameer Wankhede, NCB Zonal Director, putting out the details, and we also had Yasha on the broadcast, who has been tracking the story very closely. Yasha, you would remember how you were also reporting on a similar attack that had happened on NCB officials when they were trying to bust a drug racket in Goregaon, and again at that time, in full sway, the drug link to Bollywood was also being investigated. This time around, a similar incident happening, but thankfully, 4 NCB officials who have received minor injuries. Fact still remains that, NCB officials, as they investigate, have been made the target.
That's right. So this particular case that you're talking about, the Goregaon one, was where 40 to 50 people had attacked the entire NCB team. This was the case pertaining to Carrie Mandis, wherein this person was dealing with LSD drugs and the NCB team was attacked. Now again, we've seen that yesterday night when this particular African national who was dealing with cocaine and MD was arrested in the Vashi Mankhurd area of Mumbai, was where 4 officials have been attacked, one of whom has received severe head injuries by the name of Shrikant. And, but this particular person, the drug peddler, is already in the custody of NCB and will be produced before the court tomorrow. Now let us understand that this person has been arrested with 1 crore worth of drug, which is the commercial quantity of drug. Because when you say commercial quantity, it has a severe sentence when it comes to the NDPS court, and as a result of which now this particular person who's been arrested is an African national. Because let us understand that this is not the first time that an African national has been arrested. Even before this, NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede had mentioned that they are constantly trying to get nationals who are not Indians. In fact, there is a wide range of such international drug peddlers who are operating in Mumbai. Yes.
All right. Yasha, I want to thank you for getting us these details.